Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. And some little monkey is just gone and tried to get in my bag. Put that on the floor. Today's video is going to be a Poundland haul. I've gone on 2 different occasions and found some bits and pieces that might be handy for you if you've ever got something coming up, or you've got something for work, or I've got ideas in here, something coming in this video that's basically gonna give you a bit of help if you need it in that way. Before we get into the video, I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video and the content and the products that I'm showing you, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up and tell me by that way. And once you like it, someone else can like it and the video can go around, so definitely let me know by liking it. You can subscribe to tazwells12. You can do that by signing to YouTube for absolutely free. Hit the subscribe button on my main page at the top and then you will be subscribed to tazwells12. Also hit the notification bell because you will be notified when a new video comes up straight away, and you can see it when you like, but you can see it there and then if you want to. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention, so it's not sponsored by Poundland or anything else. This is all out of my own money and stuff that I found in Poundland that I thought was good and I wanted to show you, so it's just an advice video. If you liked anything in the video, or you would like to give me feedback on the video to improve for next time, then let me know down below commenting, and I will like your comment every single time and comment back to you. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is my main account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Please check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the Poundland haul. First item I'm going to start with is these. These are cute. I am actually going to go to a baby shower at some point, and I saw these and literally they are the cutest thing. I could not wait to buy these. I took my mum because I was like, can you let me know what size to buy, because I'm rubbish with things like that and that's just normal. They're the cutest little things. So they're Disney classics. They're from the Pep & Co range, and basically they are Pep & Co baby, and these are 6 to 9 months, and they were £4. I thought that for £4, I thought these were the cutest things. They are proper Disney, so they are little Bambi. So they've got like this Velcro little bit on the side of the shoe, and then you've got this little bit of hair here on the top, and then you've got cute little eyes. I thought these were so cute. I've got like a little rubber bit at the bottom. For £4, I thought these were super cute. I had to get these, and they're quite versatile because they are literally like a little Bambi. So this could be a boy or a girl. So I adored these. I thought they were so cute. You know, we have got a cat. I know I have not showed him. I've got tons of pictures, videos, everything to do a video on him, and I will show you. He's in like sneaky little bits, or you can hear him crying in the background. But I will do a proper video on him and like how we got him and everything. But he absolutely loved these toys at Christmas. Like basically my mum brought her cat one and bought Gizmo one. He likes the little miceies, they're cute. We got a little white mice on our first one, but these ones had a little black mouse. And then he loves this little thing here. He's down below, so I'm not gonna like scrunch it. But it's basically like a little Christmas decoration, and he's absolutely looking at it right now. He loves this tiny little thing here. It chases about for hours. We literally have to take it away from him. He's jumped right up. Here he is. Oh, cute little. He loves this, and we noticed when we went to Poundland that these had gone down to like 50p, so I grabbed a massive load for him because I did not think that we were going to get any more. He was dribbling on them at one point because he was teething. Really new thing for us as well, but he's not doing that anymore. But he loves this to death. So yeah, I got 2 of these for like 50p each, and he's going to play with these crazy. He absolutely loves this. I'm not going to give it now because he'll go mental. was explaining with Gizmo, we have to clean his like dirt box out. We were buying like proper dog bags, but when we bought them, they were like £2.50. They were crazy, like the proper poopy bags. And my mum's like, actually, you can get them out of Poundland for just as cheap, like the baby ones. So we bought some like the first time round, and we're still using that roll, and they're really good. They're not the thickest of bags, but they're still really good. These are extra value, extra large, extra strong as it says, but they're not massively strong. Tidy Z, 100 fragrance nappy bags, tie handles, so you can tie them up. And literally these were only 75p, so they are crazy cheaper, and we go through these quite a lot because he's not going out. We are not keeping him as a house cat. We kind of want to keep him sort of litter trained, so we don't have to keep him like letting him out like late at night. It's really handy for 75p. I can't believe I saw this in Poundland. You might think, wow, why are you so excited about it? But it is this book. I love The Little Mermaid. I adore The Little Mermaid. I think it's the best Disney like movie going, and I probably get a lot of disagreement with that, or maybe agreement if you do like it, but I love like The Little Mermaid. And when I saw this, like the Disney range in the stationery, I couldn't wait to get this. Obviously got Ariel and Sebastian on it, and then on the back it's proper Disney as well, because it's got the sticker, which I obviously have to take off. It is for the kids range, but it says make your soul happy, and it's got a little flounder there, which I think is really, really cute. But it's like old school drawings. It's just literally like a noted pad, but I go through these so much for work. Do buy my own stationery for work, but it's not very expensive. I buy it every so often, like pens and pads and stuff like that. But if I can get it from work, I will at the same time. But I don't mind buying my own little sort of stationery book. So I love the design on this. Thought this was great. Pick this up. Could not wait to grab it. Going to makeup and like hair bits now. So the first one for hair is clips. Now you're probably thinking, why have you bought all these silver clips? Because I won't be using them on my normal hair, but they're quite handy if you have like a bit of hair out of the way. I normally use their little really thin ones. Why I wanted these, and I wanted them to get out of Poundland, these are Make It Snappy triangle snap clips, and there's 25 in a pack. But I'm actually doing a bit of a dress up for someone's birthday, having sort of like a party like night thing, and we've all got to dress up as a 90s theme, and I'm going as Poison Ivy, and Neil, my partner, is going as Two-Faced. We're both from Batman, but with different villains. Them films are different films, but they are definitely in the 90s. I checked some other ideas that we were going to go for, but I didn't really like them, so then we've come to this conclusion and we're going this. So why I wanted these was I've got like some fake craft leaves, and I saw on Pinterest is great if you ever want like to do it a DIY yourself sort of outfit and not buy a really expensive outfit that you're never ever going to probably wear again, and do a DIY one. Pinterest is a great place to get things. They said maybe like glue gun the leaf onto the clip, and then you can put a couple in your hair, which I thought was fantastic. So I went searching for these. They do them in silver and gold. We went for the silver. I'll probably only be using a couple of these, but I can keep them for another dress up. It is fantastic. For the theme of me being Poison Ivy, I have come to the conclusion I'm going to dye my hair red. I don't think it'll come out this red because I am brunette and I am a natural brunette, and this is like for grey or blonde, what it's saying on the back. But I have bought this hair colour to put on my hair, and it'll go a little bit tingy red. It will have a red tinge to it. Like, I am fair brown. I'm not proper dark brown. If I was dark brown, then yes, I probably would have to get a wig, but I'm not. I'm going to dye my hair red as best as I can, and then I have got another solution to go with it. But I didn't want to dye, the other thing is I don't want to dye my hair blonde or bleach my hair blonde, because I have got it to the length and the strength that it is at the moment, and I do not want to ruin it. I am going to just put the hair dye on my hair and just hope for the best and leave it as long as possible, and hopefully it will give like a little red tinge. But yeah, for £1 it was amazing for that. So this is the Mellow and Russell Simply Bright High Colour Red Alert 100% Grey Coverage Permanent Hair Colour Cream Rich Long Lasting Colour. So if you want me to do a little video of that, maybe I could, because it'd be quite interesting to see how much that will affect my hair. I have got a couple of boxes. I've got a kind of a different make though from somewhere else. They're pretty much all the same, so I can do a video of that when I do it. But that was really good for that. Makeup in the makeup range, and this I've left it in the packet because you know these are clearly Poundland's packets. But it's an eylure and it's called a Brow Magician. I don't know what. There's a load of eyeliner stuff going in like Poundland at the moment. I've had like the pomades. I've got about 3 pomades now because I love that pomade so bad. Picked this up. I picked a little brow kit up, like powder one. I think I've picked a wax pencil up. Like honestly, there's really loads going in there. So this is in blonde, which is number 30, and that's the pomade I brought. And I actually think it suits my brows a lot more better because it's not so dark. I've tried to do them like a little bit dark and I didn't like it with a pomade, so this looks really nice actually. And you've got like a little spoolie and then it's like a slanted like pencil, which I think that's going to be really good. So yeah, I grabbed one of these. I think this was the only one they had there. Grabbed it. I think this is going to be really good. I think this is really good for £1 because eyeliner stuff, even the lashes, they can be expensive. Poundland have been doing their own makeup palettes, which I couldn't resist these. I love the design of this one. So this is called Glam Up, and it's sort of like a rose gold with a bluey purpley design. They're in tins, by the way. And then this is in the Warms Neutrals eyeshadow palette, 18 warm neutrals in matte and shimmer. So that's what the front looks like, and inside it looks like that, which looks amazing. Like there's some nice shimmers in here, like this is really pretty, and there's some nice mattes in there and some blending shades. It's very nice. You get a mirror, very nice for what it was. So these are £4 each. So that's the Glam Up one. And then there was a nudes one. So this is an 18 warm neutral tones eyeshadow palette. This is more like a pinkier brownie colours. But again, there's some great shimmers in the hair. Like, look at them. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty. And then there's some like neutral like shades in there. Like, hello, you can see me. I thought £4, like I have quite a lot of neutral shade eye palettes, and yes, maybe I shouldn't have bought these because I have got a damn load of palettes to review for you guys and do like tutorials and makeup looks. So maybe yeah, I shouldn't have bought them, but I couldn't resist. For £4 each, that's so cheap. So £8 for like 2 palettes. I don't know what the quantity is like. I did have a little swatch on one of the shimmers and they turned out pretty nice on my hand. But it'd be really good to do like makeup videos with these, or like really nice looks with a nice cheap palette for you guys, because I think if you're on a budget, these are really good. Like, I don't think they're any cheaper anywhere else. Yeah, I really can't wait to do these. But yeah, these will come in a testing tutorial video, and then I will do some makeup looks with them and we'll see what the quality is like. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the Poundland haul. There was some good little mixtures there. So you had home stuff, you had pet stuff, you had stationery that helped you for work. Like, there was a lot in there, like different things. Like, obviously I give you the ideas of the dress ups. that will be all coming on a video, by the way. I'm going to do a whole video on both of them, so it isn't just going to be two together. It will be a poison ivy and a Too Faced one, because I think it's going to be incredible. So I'm going to try and film all that, and maybe tiny little bits of that too, because I know my mum and her partner are dressing up too, and they're going. So yeah, and then my friend and her partner are going, so I'm going to try and get pictures and everything and put them into them videos, because I think they'd be worth it. And I've been watching a lot of them videos, so to give mine back out would be fantastic. And I have done a few Halloween ones. People have liked them, so get back into that rhythm of doing them, because it's always happy. It's always, it's not for Halloween, but it's like handy if you come for Halloween, because you can always change it up. But this is generally a birthday in the year, but it's not for Halloween. So if you did like the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because like I said, if you like it, someone else will like it, and then a lot more people can see it, and I know what you guys want to see, so give me a thumbs up. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention out of Poundland, anything else. It's just an advice video for you guys, what I picked up in Poundland and I thought was good, because I do these ones every so often, because I do generally think Poundland is a really good place, and you do get some really good little bargains and some dupes in there. So I really like these. Don't forget to put the thumbs up for it. It's not sponsored. Please come and subscribe and join the tazwells12 love family and my YouTube journey by hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you will be subscribed and you will be notified when I do a new video. Comment down below if you have any feedback or what you liked in a video or what you're going to look out for in Poundland, and definitely comment down below, and I will 100% like your comment and comment back to you every single time. Check out my other social medias, 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening. Take care, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.